Spring is here, and there's no better time to refresh your garden with new inspirations. In this video, we'll explore breathtaking spring garden designs, color combinations, and plant arrangements to make your outdoor space a true paradise. Whether you have a small balcony or a large backyard, these ideas will help you create a stunning garden that reflects the beauty of 2025. Let's dive in and discover the magic of spring. Garden design is always evolving, and 2025 brings a mix of modern and natural styles. This year, we see a rise in sustainable gardens, minimalist Zen-inspired landscapes, and vibrant cottage-style gardens. Whether you love structured elegance or wild beauty, there's a trend for you. Stay tuned as we explore how these styles can transform your space. Flowers are the heart of any spring garden. In 2025, popular choices include tulips, daffodils, cherry blossoms, and peonies. These flowers not only bring vibrant colors but also attract butterflies and bees, promoting a healthy ecosystem. Choosing a mix of early and late bloomers will keep your garden colorful throughout the season. Let's look at the best combinations. A well-planned color scheme can make your garden feel harmonious and inviting. In 2025, trending color palettes include pastel pinks and purples for a dreamy look, or bold oranges and reds for a striking effect. By combining contrasting or complementary colors, you can create a visually stunning garden that reflects your personality. Sustainability is key in 2025, and eco-friendly gardening is more popular than ever. Using organic compost, planting native species, and incorporating rainwater harvesting are just a few ways to make your garden greener. Not only do these practices help the environment, but they also make garden maintenance easier and more cost-effective. Even if you have a small space, you can still have a gorgeous spring garden. Vertical gardens, hanging planters, and compact raised beds are great ways to maximize limited areas. With smart plant choices and creative arrangements, you can transform a small balcony, patio, or even a windowsill into a lush spring retreat. Water features bring a sense of tranquility and elegance to any garden. In 2025, trending options include modern minimalist fountains, natural-looking rock waterfalls, and eco-friendly pond systems. A well-placed water feature not only enhances the aesthetic of your garden, but also attracts birds and wildlife, making it a peaceful sanctuary. Your garden isn't just about plants, It's also a space to relax and enjoy nature. Stylish outdoor furniture, cozy garden swings, and decorative lighting can elevate the ambience of your garden. This year, natural materials like bamboo and rattan are in trend, giving your outdoor space a warm and inviting feel. Not everyone has time for daily gardening, and that's okay. Some plants thrive with minimal care. Lavender, succulents, ornamental grasses, and native perennials are excellent choices for a low-maintenance yet beautiful spring garden. These plants require less watering and pruning, making them perfect for busy lifestyles. A thriving garden isn't just about plants, it's also about the wildlife it supports. Adding bird feeders, bee-friendly flowers, and butterfly bushes can transform your garden into a haven for pollinators. Not only will this help the environment, but it will also make your garden feel more alive and magical. A beautiful garden shouldn't just shine during the day. It should also glow at night. Soft LED lights, solar-powered lanterns, and string lights can add a magical touch to your spring garden. By strategically placing lights along pathways, around trees, or near water features, you can create a dreamy nighttime atmosphere. Spring is the perfect time to refresh and transform your outdoor space. Whether you choose bold colors, eco-friendly designs, or cozy seating areas, your garden should be a reflection of your personal style. We hope these inspirations help you create a beautiful and inviting spring garden in 2025. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home and garden ideas.